Okay, so as an alternative to dry cleaning, which we've already discussed is highly toxic and really difficult to control, how was wet cleaning developed?
Well, there's been several attempts of coming up with new ideas over the years, but back in '95 some Germans scientists got together to see what the reasons were that we can't actually use water to dry clean only clothes, and they developed a fantastic new system that answers all the challenges that come with it, and you get a much better, much safer clean for your clothes.
So with wet cleaning, they control the way in which the water is used rather than just avoiding it altogether.
Yep, everything's better washed in water. It's just that the different fibres and the mixes of fibres react differently. So in traditional dry cleaning, it's basically just darks, lights, maybe silks, things like that. In this, we have to go a lot further. So we have woolen jumpers, woolen suits, woolen coats. They're all separate, along with things like viscose and silk, and they're all got their own computer programs, and we just have to sort them into the different fibres, and it's very heavily controlled on temperatures and the amount of time they spend in the water, all that kind of stuff. So come to Maurice Eco Cleaners for your eco cleaning in Sutton.